Nature is your greatest teacher. Sure, the cities of men are also your teachers. They teach you an awful lot about how things are distorted. You have to keep peeling and peeling to see what's actually going on. Nature doesn't do that with you. In that, there's a certain freshness, joy, clarity and peace. Be sure to return to nature as often as possible. The distortion fields cast by humanity are tiresome. They eat away at your brains, they eat away at your heart. You cannot do just that 24/7. Back to nature, back to what is. Feel it, recognize it, absorb it, and then carry that into your social sphere. The underneath of existence, embedded in nature, very clear. Not so clear on the overlay we built. Let nature help you declutter your life and your awareness. Be in nature. Be at peace.